This universe, this material universe, is only 1/4 manifestation of Krishna's creation. Ekangsena sthito jagat. When Arjuna inquired from Krishna, so, would you kindly explain little of your opulence? Yes. So he said, I am this, out of this I am this. And so he summarized, Atva bahulaitena kingyatena tabarjana vishtabhya aham idam sarvam ekangsena sthito jagat. Ekangsena. You are seeing this universe. This universe only a fragment of the material creation. A fragment. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu informed us. One of his devotees requested Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, my dear Lord, you have come personally, you kindly take all the living entities to the spiritual world, be kind enough upon them. And if you think that they are so sinful they cannot be taken, then transfer all their sins unto me. You take. You take. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to smile that even if I take all the living entities of the universe, but do you know, this universe is only one fragmental part of all other universes. There are many other universes. And he compared that in a bag, where a bag full of mustard seeds, just imagine a big bag and mustard seeds. And this universe is just like one mustard seed. There are so many universes. So many universes. And it is confirmed in the Brahma Samhita. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanda koti. Jagadanda. Jagadanda means this universe. Brahmanda, Jagadanda. Koti. Innumerable. Jagadanda koti. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanda koti. Kotishu asresha. Vasudhadi vibhuti bhinnam. And each universe, there are innumerable planets. And each planet is different from other. This is God's creation. And these rascals are manufacturing God. And there is another description also. Jasyaika nishashuta kalam athavalamba jivanti loma vilaja jagadanda natha. This Jagadanda, the universe, and there, in each universe, there is a controller of the universe, Brahma. He is called Jagadanda Natha, master of this universe. Because it is controlled by Brahma, therefore each universe is called Brahmanda. It is controlled by Brahma. So, in the Brahma Samhita we get information, Jagadanda Natha, plural number. There are many, many thousands Jagadanda, not only one Brahma. Many millions of Brahma, many millions of Shiva, many millions of Vishnu, many millions of sun, because there are many millions of universes. Now just imagine, this is material creation. And that material creation, Krishna says, Ekangsena sthito jagat. Taking all the material universes, it is only 1/4 creation of the Lord. And the 3/4 creation is the spiritual world. Just imagine what is spiritual. And in that spiritual, the topmost planet is Goloka. So, you cannot go even the moon planet. How you can go to that spiritual planet, penetrating the material coverings, coming to the spiritual effulgence, Brahma, And after all these universes, then therefore it is said, Panthastu koti satavastra sampragamya, koti satavastra, millions of years. If you go with your Sputnik, with full force, Kanthastu koti satavastra, not this Sputnik, but make your planes of mind speed. This is material speed. What is this speed? A few thousands, 20,000, 50,000. But do you know mind speed? You are sitting here, and immediately within a second you can go to India. This is mind speed. Immediately. So, Panthastu koti satavastra sampragamma vayorathapi. By the air speed or mind speed. Vayorathapi manasu munipungava. And driven by great scientist, Munipungava. Pungava means very expert, not a Pungava. So, big scientists, expert scientists, if they can discover airplane which is running on mind speed or air speed, they cannot go by the air speed. They fly on the air, but not with the air speed. So in this way, still, avichinta tatte, after going many millions of years in that speed, still you will find, Goloka Vrindavan is far.